want to become hero out of no issue. When they are know everything, when they know everything that this process is going on, and the NSIDCL or the MORT has already started all survey since November 13, 14 like that, then what is need of calling this ban? Just they want to show the public that on our demand this road is made. They just want to show that the public. That's it.
होता है अगर आप एमएलए नहीं सकता है, हम पब्लिक के ऊपर छोड़ दीजिए, हम खुद बनाएगा, रेस्टोर करेगा। ये हम उसको वादा दे रहे हैं, हमको 2 महीना के अंदर में हम उसको ये विदिन 2 मंथ्स हम उसको रेस्टोर बैक करेगा। ये हमारा वादा है।
NS13 जो पासीघाट पांगिन का रूट जून 27 से ये रूट बंद हुआ है ड्यू टू हेवी स्लाइड। तो अभी तक 7वां महीना हो गया, कुछ गवर्नमेंट का तरफ से रेस्टोरेशन वर्क बिल्कुल नहीं किया है। इसलिए हम लोग जल्दी वो NS13 का जो रास्ता स्लाइड में गिर गया उसको बनाने के लिए रेस्टोरेशन करना है बोल के गवर्नमेंट से कितना बार हम लोग ये रिक्वेस्ट किया है, आज तक कुछ नहीं किया है। इसलिए हम लोग ये बॉन्ड कॉल किया है।
पुनित टॉक्स वीडियो वायरल वगैरह से ये सुनने में आया है कि विधायक महोदय खुद अपने हाथों से वह UFC खेल रहा है। और अभी हाल ही में एक रिपोर्ट फिर से आया 32 रुमगोंग में, फिर हमारे ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट को अरेस्ट कर ले गया है। और यही सबूत है कि सारा एंटायर सियांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट इस आंदोलन को सपोर्ट कर रहा है। हालांकि ये बिजनेस कम्युनिटी से, फार्मर कम्युनिटी से, और मैं आपको बता दूं कि बोलेंग में जिसको सुनने में आया है कि विधायक महोदय ने जो मेन हैंडल किया है वो है एक फार्मर लीडर है, नाम उनका ताकोत जामो। सच्चाई तो मैं बता नहीं सकता, फिर भी टेलीफोनिक टॉक द्वारा ये पता चला है कि पालना को ऐसा हो गया। और मैं सियांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट कांग्रेस कमेटी का प्रवक्ता स्पोक्स पर्सन के रूप में आप सबको बता दूं कि ये हालांकि कांग्रेस एजेंडा के अंदर ये आंदोलन हो रहा है। आप ये मत समझिए, हम जो है सारा सियांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट, एंटायर सियांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट कम्युनिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। वी आर हियर ऑन टू सर्व द पीपल, नॉट टू क्रिएट chaos and unrest. That you must be clear, our honorable MLA sir. And I request our government, I do appeal our government to take quick action to restore our NS13 PP road immediately, or else we will continue to strike furthermore. I am not just warning, this is fact. And I'm sure I, on behalf of all the people of Siang district, do announce here today that if you don't answer our strike, our question, our queries, after 10 days of this bond call, we will launch another larger and greater strike in this form. Thank you.
अभी हम यहाँ के जो बोलंग INC के जो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट ताकंग तागू उनसे जानेंगे यहाँ के जो बंद का हालत को लेके। तो सबसे पहले जो आज कुछ लोगों को अरेस्ट किया गया, मतलब स्पेशली डिटेन किया गया जो पुलिस के तरफ से, और इसके बाद जो लोकल MLA को ये भी एलिगेशन लगाया जा रहा है कि मतलब वो कुछ लोगों को मैन हैंडल भी किया है, तो वो कितना सच है? उसके बाद एज ए ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पर?
ये कहते हुए भी मैं बहुत दुख लग रहा है, क्योंकि आज का दिन हम लोग का ये ब्लॉक कांग्रेस तरफ से हम कॉल किया था, लेकिन ये ओनली कांग्रेस का इंटरेस्ट में नहीं है, ये फॉर द पीपल ऑफ दिस सियांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट। सो आई एम वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट टू से दैट आज जो बॉन्ड कॉल हुआ था, इसमें जो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर, डीसी सर और ये हम लोग का लेजिस्लेचर, ऑनरेबल एमएलए जॉइंट ऑपरेशन करके हम लोग को जितना ये किया है, जो मेरा लड़का लोग को अरेस्ट किया, डिटेन में रख दिया, और जो ये आज का जो बॉन कॉल को मेरा तरफ से देखा जाए तो ये आज बीजेपी कांग्रेस का बॉन कॉल जैसे हो गया, इसको देखते हुए मैं बहुत दुख लग रहा है। जो ये तो मेरा ख्याल से एक बॉन कॉल जो है ये सियांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए क्या था, जैसे कि जो लेलेक जो स्लाइड हुआ था, तो लास्ट जून 27 से ये स्लाइड हुआ था, इसको टिल टुडे अराउंड 7 months रनिंग हम लोग का ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि जो हमारा वो जो एमएलए और एमपी दोनों, क्योंकि एमपी साहब दोनों को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, क्योंकि हम लोग ये सियांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है लार्जेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ द अरुणाचल प्रदेश, बिकॉज the 32 Rumgong is come under the Western Parliamentary and Eastern 35 Pangin Boleng come under the Eastern Parliamentary। इसलिए मैं गुजारिश करता हूँ कि हम लोग का जो एमपी साहब दोनों भी मिलके वो 14 से लगभग 80 मीटर समथिंग है, इसको वो लोग का ये जो लेफ्ट से दे के अर्ली एज पॉसिबल इसको रेस्टोरेशन करने के लिए हम लोग बंद कर रहे हैं। और जो एमएलए साहब का लेफ्ट पान से भी कर सकता है, क्यों?
अच्छा, माने हिलो के बोन को लगा सो नलु अन्यों को पुलिस केस करते बकाला दे लोकल एमएलए कोम नलु में अन्यों को तोड़ना नाम पातु इबु सुतोम दong ina made kapapang like jeli to di pa nolu ka bon kol ibom nam laga ngam nok side lokum lokita nok amene parsa bolong ku
ngo tarik taggo
ha
delok ke ngolu bon nam hetung mana bek rotung ke bem bon ai mana area bem mana ngolu donam tinam kom gathi ko ka kumai ambe nam kom epes kring kom halang kumang dek laga dem bonai bola ko ngol itung ina me balo bolang ke segget balangol dudung inam emile de yoblen na gari tolella ngol motor tu
अच्छा motor nai अच्छा de mane nolu bunu ba lumina ka akom mamu na makaton ya
malumin kamang bi sida togla ngol modan tu
noka munin kwe
takut jamo
takot jamo nom hika local MLA be hika to man handling ito de to na magtad dong ina ba kapapang lalagari iton
lega ngol belo ala ngol be ami blok kai le tien ngol dak ami sari zone lelek bon kes lega ngol chapa clear dong ku inam lega ngol do ri ka te koi to oi la inam disi lang in ko ya kon SOOC ami sari zone daglang kam le ngol sari zone dagla
ungol lakton bajar ko
ma ektan ela ka inko sestekes dagla ina ek biyaba dai yabala
he ko yabaron
MLA ngol ken mang da ko
अच्छा
yabala yedem bu yabala tare kai da oi tai oi la ina ngol bim iem ko ken ma tu iem ken mang oi dan na direct ngol hokkale ga oi idu nai ka na kri du nam lu ido ni do ngol aso ta to de do akon angon akon de lu kai ai no kai de du nam ba bi kai de du nam de lu to de le nam ai no de lu tum na de tu no in ka mo la endu ne no kon ato hok da ru yob du da em lu nam no kai de lu ken nam ito de mo min hok pak da ku tai
puto
da hok puto hok tu dem ngo bim in ko le ngol emile le ga in ko la manila yob gat nam hin pro yom min ga la ngom hok hotai ya ga le pokola hok pojiru tu tunyam tiram to Then,
right.
then it.
I have not seen him manhandling any bone collars, but his today morning his car was stopped by the bone collars, and there might be have some arguments between them. I have not seen them, but since the bone collars has violated 144 declared by the district magistrate, so they have been brought to the PS and detained them on preventive measures. They have not been arrested. No, only detained. As a preventive measure, only detained. And they will be allowed to go after 5 p.m.
This Indian National Congress, this Siang district unit, alleging that today's burn call was disrupted by you, and some of them has also alleged that you have manhandled some of the burn caller. So how far it is true?
You see, first of all, the district administration has declared this ban as illegal,
Right.
and issued 144 CRPC, under which no, not more than 3% can gather annual illegally
Okay.
for any discussion even. So in that way, actually, exactly the allegation made upon me is not true.
Okay.
But then my way to Boleng, on the way the three young guys stopped my vehicle.
Okay.
As I was with my Mandal General Secretary and my young leaders and with my PS, I was on the way.
Yes.
So on the mid of the way, they stopped me.
Okay.
Then I come out, I argue with them
Yeah.
and said, you disperse from here.
Okay.
You know this bond has been declared illegal.
Right.
I say in that way, and then that when the police come
Yes.
and pick them.
Okay. So, so sir, actually, what happened? Particularly, those poor person have said that one Jamo has said that he shown a foot mark of your shoe, showing that you have kicked him on his stomach also. So, do you accept
Which
this?
number? Which number of shoe?
No, he did not tell me about that.
He should tell me my shoe number if I kicked him, and what kind of shoe I wore that time. He should tell me.
Okay. Okay.
What kind of dress I wear that I wore. This he should tell me that time.
Okay.
My PSO with me, he's here.
Okay. But that means the allegations that they were made against you is completely wrong.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Coming out of that, they are demanding for the early restoration of those Lelek block point. So, what is the government doing, especially in restoration work of that particular block point?
My dear brother, I will tell you.
Yes.
Actually, this block, before me, this district, Congress district president Tagum Sitang, my two ZPM and other leaders from Pangin,
Yes.
made chief engineer Mort
Okay.
at Lelek Point.
Okay.
That time also, the chief engineer clearly told them that this rock is not as strong as, this not as strong for this construction of road again and again, because this rock, as per its test, it is rejected.
Okay.
That sold rock, the feasibility of that rock is rejected.
Okay.
So the government, the Mort was trying to make construct road from the inner side,
Okay.
and for that they have to do survey first of all.
Okay.
You cannot go blindly to make a road
Okay.
from your own what to say, from your own thinking.
Yes.
You have to see the feasibility, how it will be, what obstacle will come in the middle of the way. All the things that the government, this engineer should see.
Okay.
So for that, the survey is going on.
Okay.
Even for on November 11, I went down to Delhi, and on 12, along with Honorable MP Tapirgaon, I met Director General Mort.
Okay.
We discussed. They are also in length and breadth,
Yes.
and they promise us that within no time, in this 4 month,
Yes.
they will make it clear.
Okay.
Like this process is going on.
All right.
Even on December 2,
Yes.
I call District President Congress Tagum Sitang and block president Congress,
Yes.
Takeng Tagu, in this residence.
Okay.
And I highlighted all what I have done for the restoration of this road.
Right.
They agreed with me. And
Okay.
more than me, Tagum Sitang know about this road,
Okay. Yes.
district president.
Yes.
In that meeting also, he accepted everything.
Okay.
But in the last, and when I said that if you know everything and you accept it, everything, then why you go for Bankol?
Okay.
Then what did he say? You'll surprise to hear that.
Okay.
कि party discipline करना पड़ेगा.
Okay. Okay. He said
Is
like
this like any Bankol?
that. Okay.
Huh?
All
Is
right.
this working for the society,
All right.
for the community, for the district?
Yes.
Is that way?
Exactly. Exactly. If the
He know everything more than me. He know this regarding this Lelag issue.
Okay.
And now government from district administration side, DC called him twice. They discussed. Even the executive engineer highway come and discuss all and tell them all this one work related, this one survey related work that they are doing now.
Yes.
They told them all, but they are not ready to accept because they stick on this one. Their ego no,
Okay.
and we cannot. The work cannot be progress in based on your ego.
Yes.
If they call bond today, would this road cleared by tomorrow?
Exactly.
It will take time. It will take process. It has process and it will take time.
Yes.
For that day also I call them.
Yes.
At least if there is some grievances in you, why don't you come to me first?
Yes.
Isn't that?
Right.
I'm a MLA
Yeah.
of Tati Pangin Boleng, not only BJP MLA. I'm a MLA of all public since I get elected.
Yes.
So I called them. They accept. अब हम लोग कभी नहीं वो तो बात सही है बोल.
Yeah.
So in front of me they are saying something. Behind me they are saying something.
Right.
They are making they want to become hero out of no issue.
Okay.
When they know everything that this process is going on and the NSI DCL or the MORT
Yes.
has already started all survey
Yes.
since November 13, 14 like that, then what is need of calling this band?
All right.
Just they want to show the public that on our demand this road is made.
Okay.
They just want to show them the public.
All right.
That's it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
They told me that MLA already initiated, even discussed the MORT authority, MORTS authority,
Yes.
and then with the honorable MP.
Yes.
Are, why such lengthy process should be was called invited?
Okay.
MLA has a local area development fund, 325 lakhs.
Yes.
MLA has every MLA has a 10 crore SIDF money.
Right.
Why MLA cannot was called this earmark 50 to 1 crore from his SIDF fund or MLA led from his MLA led to restore that work?
Yes. Exactly.
It's not necessary. It's a pity matter.
Okay.
बहुत छोटा सा इशू है.
Yes.
वो गवर्नमेंट को ये इवन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट नेसेसरी.
Okay.
Why people have given him mandate?
Yes. That
Why
means,
people have elected him?
right.
And he has that 13 crore 25 crore in his pocket.
Yes.
As far as was his own planning, he can use that money.
All right.
Where that amount has gone? इससे ज़्यादा वो इम्पोर्टेंस कुछ ये प्रोजेक्ट ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में तो है ही नहीं, आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. यहाँ से तो अब देखिए, आज ये आपने हमको जानकारी दिया ये इलीगल वन कॉल क्या है. ये इलीगल नहीं है.
Okay.
जो लोग उसको विरोध कर रहे हैं ये सब इलीगली विरोध कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
अभी अब देखिए पासीघाट से पांगिन एक भी ये ट्रैकेबल नहीं. इवन पिकअप दे आर कमिंग विथ दिस दैट हाफ लोडेड ओनली.
Okay.
no gas, no petrol, that lubricant, petrol, diesel, lubricant items, सिलेंडर, ये सब ये रास्ता से अभी नहीं आ रहा है, अभी 7 महीना हो गया। तो बाया यिंक्यों मारिया यिंक्यों होके आ रहा है, उसमें ज्यादा डबल कॉस्ट हो रहा है। अभी यहाँ से कोई कोई जबरदस्ती अपना रिक्स में कोई कोई पिकअप आधा लूट लेके आता है, लेकिन वह पब्लिक के ऊपर उसका बर्डन छोड़ देते हैं। तो सिलेंडर भी बढ़ रहा है। अभी पासीघाट को देखिए और बोलेंग का डीजल पेट्रोल पंप को देखिए। पासीघाट में तो पासीघाट से ज़्यादा यहाँ में 2 रुपया ज़्यादा तेल भी दाम है। किस लिए? गैस को देखिए आप, ये आपका रेशनल आइटम्स को देखिए, जितना डोमेस्टिक यूजेस आप देख लीजिए, इट इज डबल टू दैट ऑफ दिस पासीघाट। कॉस्ट इज डबल टू दैट ऑफ पासीघाट टाउन। हाउ इट कैन बी? कैसे यहाँ का लोग उसको ये उसको इतना तो बर्दाश्त कर सकेगा? इसलिए ये इलीगल नहीं, जो उसको बंद कर रहा है वो इलीगल कर रहा है, इलीगल है, इलीगल। जो लोग इलीगल डिक्लेयर को है, दे देमसेल्फ इज मैनिपुलेटेड बाय समबडी। ये आपका सामने में ये आपका गाड़ी को जला हुआ आपको दिखाई दे रहा है। डेली वहाँ पिकअप हमेशा पलटी होते रहते हैं, गाड़ी हमेशा डेली एक्सीडेंट होते जा रहा है। तो उसको खाल को कुछ हो गया। अगर मई महीना में अगर रास्ता सही नहीं हुआ, कोई गाड़ी जाके एक्सीडेंट होगा, कोई आदमी कोई किसी का जान जाएगा, तो हुई टेक रेस्पॉन्सिबल। जो आज बॉन्ड ये इलीगल जो लोग अभी डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं, they should take the responsible. During my time, even you can just get cross examination from the Vasco Dicio people of the East Siang district, and also the adjoining districts. That during my times, the road was even not blocked for even 3 days also. The left turning all the time, it is landslide was there. But then I handled it very easily with my proper planning. When people they are crying, when people there was called asking for help, that elected representative address the was called public grievances. Instead of they giving warning, giving was called asking the shopkeepers to open the shops, that is not the duties of the MLA. That is the duty of the district administration. Duties of the police personnel only, not the MLAs. MLA has to was called that was called MLA should try to listen the public, address the public grievances. Even instead of giving was shouting to that agitators, he should convince them. He should request them that was called please was called extend your cooperation to what's called the district administration, your local MLA. I am going to what's called going to what's called the restore your what's called your demand within this and that this period. And that way he should reply, na. Instead of that what's called manhandling, it's not the what's called this proper way for the MLA.
Yes.
Lastly, this year, I, on behalf of the what's called this year Congress committee, not Congress committee, Congress family, and the people of Siang district, really what's called this year extend my what's called this year heartiest thanks to you and your team that this year, in such cloudy hours, you have visited this Siang district, and you have witnessed how people really they are what's called this year they are getting the what's called this year communication problem. How what's called this year people they are struggling. That you have witnessed everything. For that, really I extend my heartiest thanks to you once again. And with my what's called this year, with this I want to what's called this year request all the the district administration also, and then National Highway Department also. Through you, I want to make them appeal that at least if they fail to construct this their restoration work within this month, please hand it over to us. We will restore from our own means. That Lelek turn 40 meter, I am talking about that 40 meters only, 40 to 60, 70 meter, that I exactly do not know. That we are going, this is we are going to, locally we are going to, start the restoration work from our own means. एक लेलक टर्निंग, वो हमने आपको पहले ही बताया, एक छोटा सा इशू जो आपका आंख में डालने से भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, ऐसे एक इशू है, उसी को हमारा यहाँ डिपार्टमेंट और लोकल एमएलए का ये से जरिए उसको खत्म करना चाहिए. उसको स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर, हमारा सीएम के ऊपर भी या प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट के ऊपर भी उसको बर्डन नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. ये थोड़ा सी है, 10-15 किलोमीटर से दूसरा बात है. तो इसके लिए मैं आपसे आपका ये माध्यम से मैं मेरा ये हमारा हाईवे और अथॉरिटी जितना भी है, मेरा ये है, ये मांग ये है, मेरा गुजारिश ये होगा कि हमारे ऊपर सब दीजिए. अगर आप नहीं सकता है, डिपार्टमेंट नहीं सकता है, अगर आप एमएलए नहीं सकता है, हम पब्लिक के ऊपर छोड़ दीजिए, हम खुद बनाएगा, रेस्टोर करेगा. ये हम उसको वादा दे रहे हैं, हमको 2 महीना के अंदर में हम उसको ये विदिन 2 months हम उसको रेस्टोर बैक करेगा. ये हमारा वादा है.
So nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you.